8 AM, I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's still now and I'm stuck in my bed. Still now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is still now, gotta open my eyes. Still now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what.
Hello everyone, it's voiceover Lynn again, and we're gonna get ready today with ThredUp. ThredUp is the biggest online thrift store, and as someone who's trying to consume less and only buy pieces that I can see being in my wardrobe for the rest of my life, ThredUp has been my favorite secondhand option. So we have this suit and skirt that I got from ThredUp, but I'm working from home today, so we're gonna do something a little bit more casual. I love myself a good suit, don't get me wrong, but I've also been really into the embroidered cottagecore, ballet core vibes lately, and this cardigan is a perfect example of that. I actually really love this outfit, but I wanted to save it for Valentine's Day. Are you really putting together a good fit if you're not tearing apart your entire closet? This next top is by Laura by Ralph Lauren. It has an estimated retail of $127. On ThredUp, it was only $41.99, and I've been into the elevated basics, and I feel like this one is just so chic. It'd be perfect for a night out or a more formal occasion. The last top I'm trying on is also by Lauren by Ralph Lauren. It has an estimated retail of $85, and it was only $23.99 on ThredUp. And then I'm layering some stuff on top, including this scarf from Theory that was estimated to be $134, but on ThredUp is only $24.99, and I really love how cozy I look. You can shop my thrift picks and use my code LYN for an extra 35% off and free shipping on your first order. Thank you to ThredUp for sponsoring this video, and let's get into the rest of my morning routine. Here's my cup, here's my creamer. I'm a little scared. Okay. I love abstract art, yeah.
Just a reminder to hydrate because I'm really bad at it. Water tastes good. Water tastes good. I'll admit that, okay? Hey everyone, it's Lynn again. I am taking a little proper break, so I want to give an introduction to this video. Welcome to another day in my life. To be honest, I am like oddly happy today. And that's saying something because tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so I don't know what's got me in such a good spirit. Today's gonna be a pretty normie day. Like, I have my internship from 9 to 2, I have meetings, I'm gonna be doing a lot of video editing. Actually, one cool thing I'm gonna do is bake Valentine's Day treats for my friends. Today, I really just wanna slow down. And so far, it's like almost 11. I've been doing a pretty good job of just being in the moment and not overthinking and writing too much about the future or about how things will go. For someone whose brain size is not something to brag about, there's been too many thoughts jumbling around in my head. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the vid. Mwah. We are done. Lunch break. Oh, in case. Wait, this is so cute, y'all. I feel so cute. This scarf was like the best purchase from ThredUp. You like my socks video? Bye, Namjoon. Little Hunter tote. Got my keys. I need my phone. got back from grocery shopping and frozen yogurt. And oh my god, never go to a frozen yogurt place at 3 p.m. on a weekday, on a school day, because it will be overrun by high schoolers who are fucking annoying as hell. They were so loud, and they like sat around me when they could have just like had their own space. Anyways, I didn't get a lot from Safeway, but I did get some basics, aka bananas, mushrooms, oat milk, apples, and an onion. I actually don't prep meat most days unless I'm eating like frozen dumplings, and so a lot of my meals are actually vegetarian. Well, if you exclude fish sauce, because I do use fish sauce to season everything. For the songs we've exchanged, midnight calls. Promise I don't mean to cry. Cause I can't, you don't like this. I will stop falling in love. Girl, you want the karaoke mic? Is it just me, or does every Asian household I know have this exact same knife, like this orange one? So it's like 3:30 now, around like an hour and a half for me to get lunch, to get groceries, to get yogurt. Even though I'm done with like my internship work, it's time to log off and put on my YouTube cap now. I think I am going to watch some Avatar: The Last Airbender while I color grade one of my upcoming videos. It's actually a video that I have put on the back burner for a while because when it was originally filmed, I was depressed for a period of time afterwards. And I didn't like have the motivation to edit it, but I'm very excited for this video, y'all. I think it's been a long one in the making. It has some of the most picturesque coming of age moments. I really want 2023 to be the year where I find fucking joy in the things that I love to do again. I did the thing where I monetized all my hobbies. The last thing I want it to become is formulaic. And something that's really helped me, I realized since high school, I kind of stopped watching movies, even listening to music. I feel like I don't make playlists as regularly anymore as I did in high school. So I'm trying to get back to the point where I'm just regularly experiencing other people's creative work. And I feel like that's able to just give me so much. Especially since my internship, my full-time job, and all my hobbies and other extracurriculars, they're all centered around design. And it's been really helpful. It's crazy what a Pinterest board can do for your motivation.
Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이 식어. 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 맘을, 마저 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기엔 자신이 너무 걱정돼 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든.
Okay, before I start baking and doing meal prep, I have something come in the mail and we're gonna unbox it right now. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is by the shape? Can y'all guess what it is? Can y'all guess what it is? It is Love Yourself Her vinyl edition. I was a huge vinyl collector in high school, so this is something else, y'all. This is something else. They gotta make tier next. Do you wanna get my reaction to everything? But here it is. Get her right side up. Wow. Okay, Kayla, you wanna come look? Oh, it's so nice. Okay, we'll do that last. Oh my god! Wait, Namjoon and I kind of match hair colors right now. I mean, my entire head's not dyed, but it's so cute. They're so cute. Wait, there's two? Oh my god, they gave me two. Wait, maybe I'll give one to my friend for Valentine's Day because she is down bad. She is down bad. The flowers and they're all connected. Here's the lyric sheet. And then my record player that I currently have is upstairs, which is also BT21 themed, by the way. Oh, is there a bookmark too? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, it comes with a sticker. Got Jaeho, Yoongi. I love this color hair. Jimin, Jin, V. Yo, right before Valentine's Day. Oh, Yo, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you?
Gonna do another pick and choosing you with me in this song. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든.
Hey, wait, Caleb, we have to pick your BTS bias right now. You pick. Which one? Come pick. Oh, I guess Kayla's a hater. I guess she's not a stan. Y'all already know. I know this is not a clear phone case, okay? I know I have a design on the back, but I'll get a clear phone case one day. Time to be a chef because I need to meal prep. One of my favorite meals to make in advance is tomato egg because it's so easy and it stores so well. Alright. Done cleaning up, but here's all the meal prep for probably like the next 3 days. Yay! If you find a dish that you don't get tired of when you eat it multiple days in a row, it's just so convenient. The last thing of tonight is I have a bunch of scraps and I'm not sure if they'll all fit, but we'll try. I'm gonna just toss it into the composter. This was gifted to me for a campaign. The nice thing about this is that like compared to a traditional composter, it doesn't stink, right? And it composts your scraps, actual compost within 3 to 6 hours. Definitely expensive though. So I still recommend it if you're into like this sort of thing and if you have a lot of plants like me. Another reason why I don't have a traditional tabletop composter is because Kayla would definitely go through it and try to like eat the scraps and stuff. And I no longer live in the part of the city where like I have access to a weekly compost drop-off place. So this has actually been really cool. Technology is insane. Like that looks straight out of WALL-E.
Hi everyone, I just want to jump in to say thank you for watching this video, and you can shop your first thread up order and use my code LIN for 35% off and free shipping using the link in the description. And I hope everyone had a lovely Valentine's Day. Much love. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Bye.